Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So straight from to today's video, we'll be packing up my makeup bag, and just wanted to show you guys how I pack my bag and actually some of the stuff I have in my bag. This is more or less like pretty much the things I need on hand. The bag comes in like compartments, so it has these kind of pattern division stuffs that helps me like sort out my stuffs, where lipsticks could be, where foundations, concealers could be. So yeah, I'm just making sure I pat the bag. So I think in all I have like five. Outside the part I have like 5 compartments, and yeah. So to start off, I like to go on my pressed powders. I do have the LA Girl pressed powders, and I think about 3 shades. And I have the Black Secret. I did a review on the Black Secret, so I'll link it up here. Make sure you check that out. And I also pack my foundation. So I think the one I just put in was the BH, and then I have Flawless Ivy. I have Revolution. I do have the Maybelline Super Stay and Wet n Wild. Yeah, off head. Try to remember all that off head. Now I go in with the concealers. I have the LA Girl concealers. I'm like, how many shades do they have? I don't know, but I do have quite a lot. I think over 10 shades. And I also have the what's the name? AOA concealers. I have that in I think about 4 shades. Yeah. Well, for me, it's so very important to like sort out, organize your bag, because so many times you get to work and you're looking for something, but if you don't know where it is, it's like you have to go like through all your makeup stuff just to find one thing, just to find like a pencil shade or something. So I really like to make sure my bag is organized, like organized. So hi guys, my name is Sesi Quashie. Here on YouTube I create makeup and hair content and other things in between. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do want to subscribe. Yeah, I think at this point I was trying to adjust that compartment to make sure that things fit well. But like I was saying, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do want to subscribe. Subscription is free, and do click on the like button if you found this video helpful in organizing your makeup stuff, because I know sometimes we go through a whole lot of stress organizing our makeup stuff. But yeah, these are lipsticks from Black Secret, and I think Folklore. Really like the Folklore and the black lipstick, like it's so good. And then I have like brown mascaras. Actually ordered 4 more. I hope I'll do a review or something on it like later. But yeah, just trying to make sure everything is going now. I have like oh gosh, things get messed up. So yeah, that's the dual contour palette, and the got to be like this is this for styling. And then I have the mini spray. I do have the big spray as well, but I like to put the mini spray in my bag. I have the Ponds. I have like the mascaras. I have my lipsticks as well. I have pencils and like so many colors, and the clear lip gloss, and what else? That's the F. Joseph, I think, eye pigments or something. I have to check that. And yeah, that was the Colorbox. That was the Colorbox loose highlights. I think that's the Melanin glow or something. Okay, so the packing is done, and the bag has other compartments, so I put like other stuffs I need, like the puffs and the combs and the clips. I put my brushes also in that compartment. I have Colorbox brushes. You remember I did a review, so I'll link that video as well. Yeah, that's the NYX I think brow tint something. So yeah, pretty much I think I had to like reorganize and stuffs again, but pretty much this is my bag. And yeah, so I put this other kind of board. It's really soft, but it's sort of a board. I put this board and then I pack the rest of my stuff. So you realize my eyeshadows in here. So these are my eyeshadow palettes. And then the pressed powder palette. Blush. This is the Colorbox. Other eyeshadow palettes, lashes. Yeah, that's the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, the mini. Yeah, I have the e.l.f. I think it's the foundation quad or something. Yeah, and that's my nail plug, press on nails from the Plush Nails. Yo, and that's my hand sanitizer. Like, always make sure I have the hand sanitizer around. And I think that was my cellar water in that bottle. And combs, scissors, clips, sprays, all that good stuffs, everything in my bag. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and please don't forget to subscribe, to like. I do have a second bag where I put extra stuff if there'd be a need, like hair stuff and all that good stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.